Happy Friday! We are going to try this new place called, what is it called, hon? Seoul Street Korean food. You can see it's just Leia in the back because big sister had her first sleepover at our friend's house. I miss her though, she's not here. Do you miss Cadence?
I don't miss her whining. I miss her playfulness.
Anyway, so here we're gonna go eat now.
I do miss her presence.
I do. But we get a big surprise for her when she gets home tomorrow. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Yeah, before this we went to Petco. Why did we go to Petco, you might ask? Well, me and Brian have a big surprise for the girls. Wait for it. We are finally getting a puppy. Oh my god. I'm like so excited. I can't even contain my excitement. The good news is we had already put down a deposit to hold the puppy. And because since this is all the way in Illinois, it's a 5-hour drive for us. We wanted to reserve a puppy already. That way, we can claim a gender because they have the male and female one, and I picked out a female. We wanted to surprise the girls tomorrow, or Cadence, since this is a perfect time for us to reveal that surprise, and she's at a sleepover at her friend's house tonight. Oh my god, she's gonna be so excited because she's been asking for a puppy lately. Like, not even lately, it's been like 2 years since we've been trying to convince Brian to get us a puppy. He finally gave in to us because we've been asking. And then these are like breeders. And the dog that we picked out is a teddy bear. That's the nickname. It's actually a Shichon dog. A Shichon dog is a Shih Tzu mix with Bichon Frise. So they are literally called a teddy bear because they look like a teddy bear. It's that freaking cute. And I can't wait because I'm so excited to show you guys our process and throughout this puppy journey. And
Mommy's coming home from the dentist, so we gotta clean. Cadence is coming home from a friend's house after sleepover. Mommy went to go pick her up, but we have a surprise for her. Check it out. If you can figure it out. Un perro muy bueno. Oop, that's not supposed to be there. Oop. What's a doggy bed doing here? Hi, Leah. You gonna help us surprise Ati? Huh? You gonna help Ati? Huh? Help us surprise Ati? Yeah? Okay. Hi! How was your sleepover? I missed you. We all missed you.
Hold on, not yet, Cadence.
We all missed you.
did.
You take too long.
Let me see what. Daddy!
Whoa, looks so straight.
Okay, you ready to open your eyes?
Yeah.
Ready? Is it recording, hon?
Yeah.
Ready, set, go.
We're getting a dog.
We're going to get a puppy!
We're gonna get a puppy. We're gonna get a puppy. We're gonna get a puppy.
Get it! Happy Saturday! Today is...
Saturday!
You said that last time. We've been anticipating this day to come because why?
The new addition to the family.
We're gonna have another baby!
Another child.
A fur baby! Play cadence!
Yeah.
Where are we going?
Get a puppy.
It's gonna be our first family pet. And we're driving all the way to Illinois. This day has come. We're finally going to pick up Lexie there.
Ewok.
44 minutes till we get there.
Leia, careful. All girls, wow.
It's gonna get it. Oh my god.
So how old are these pups?
Right around 9 weeks.
9 weeks?
Yeah.
Okay.
They're all microchipped, so we find out the exact birthday when
Oh,
we get
nice.
shipped.
Okay, okay.
I think they'll keep that. The black and whites will keep those. I'm pretty sure.
Daddy, go up to Daddy now.
The others
Yeah.
might like some.
Yeah.
Look, say Lexie. Say Lexie. No, that's not ours.
Lexie, we finally choose a puppy, and it's a teddy bear. Can I pick it up?
She's tumbok.
Like a football. Like a football.
It wants me to carry it.
She, remember?
Not yet.
See?
Oh.
Come closer.
I like that. Already.
I see you sleeping. This is the one that I picked on the side.
You sure?
The face. Everything is the face.
She winked at me.
Hi, Lexie. Hi, Lexie Bear. Yay! We got our puppy. She's in there sleeping right now. And her name is
Lexie.
Lexie. We're actually staying in the Holiday Inn right now. Oh, you can't really see. Holiday Inn right now. Over here because we did drive for like 5 hours and 5.5 hours. And instead of driving straight back home, we wanted to just stay overnight for one night. That way we can at least get to know the puppy a little more, play with it a little more, and then leave tomorrow morning. But other than that, we were successful. Didn't take too long. We got to
Found a puppy
we picked her out. Yeah,
There's like 6 puppies.
four.
4 puppies.
Yeah.
And I picked 1 out of 4. Well, it was kind of hard this season because they are all cute.
Yeah.
And then when we got her and when she was in the car, she was like nervous because she missed her siblings. Because it's hard, like, separated from the family.
Yeah.
We know what that does to your digestive system. That's disgusting, but also
Okay.
Cut one means that's the measurement.
Sure, I've got nothing else to do.
Okay.
Yeah.
Spare the weight of the world.
We're finally settled in our room. Lexie is finally sleeping. So She was a little nervous earlier. She kept crying and whining in the crate. But after the girls have been laying down with them and calming her, I think she got more calm. Just the girls with them eating their cheese pizza. So we're having dinner now, and this is what we got. The girls got cheese, and we got the barbecue chicken and calamari. Oh, where is this from, hon?
The famous Giordano's.
Oh, the famous Giordano's pizza. And Brian got his
The
beer.
Chicago deep dish, but we've had that before, so we want to try this one.
Good morning. It's Sunday, and it is time for Homeward Bound.
To go back home.
Time to go back home. Here's Lexie.
It's her first time going to a house.
Yep.
Wow, hotel.
Lexie, look. And look at our view over here, guys. It's so nice. There's Costco, and there's an outlet mall. Leia. Leia. Today it's going to be Lexie's first wellness checkup at the vet, so we'll see how that goes. I'm waiting for Brian because he took I think his lunch to come with me and do this. Here's Lexie. Oh, she's sleeping in her travel bag. Let me see your teeth. Oh, pretty teeth.
The other one, other baby.